Hi guys, this is Etta. Today's pancake day, so this is how I made my keto pancakes. In order not to just feel left out, I got my ingredients. This is all I used. So you have baking powder. You also have almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. And I used 2 eggs. My almond flour, vanilla seasoning, and then truvia sweetener, and it's 0 calories as well. And then you need a glass jar. So I put 2 eggs in a bowl, add a tablespoon of baking powder, and I also add the almond flour. So I added about 3 cups of this, if I can remember. I added a spoon of truvia sweetener, and then I added about 165 ml of almond milk, and then I just mixed it. Then obviously add your vanilla just for flavor, and then I mixed it with I just wanted to do it just like it as well. If not, you can just use the whisk to do it. And then just grease your pan just a little. Put the pancakes. And that's it done. Yummy, it's nice, it's lovely. You can have it, it's very healthy. You can try it too. Let me know how yours goes. Don't forget to click like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.